Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay God dahil binigay ka niya sa akin kahit ayaw ko. Joke lang.
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. And love is the answer, at least for most of the questions in my heart, like why are we here and where do we go and how come it's so hard? It's not always easy and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. Somewhere in between together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together.
Mahal, sa dami ng pinagdaanan natin, nagpapasalamat ako na dumating itong special day na to, itong araw na pinakahintay nating dalawa, pati ng mga anak natin.
And I believe in memories, they look so pretty when I sleep. Hey now and when I wake up, you look so pretty sleeping next to me. But there's not enough time, and there is no song I could sing, and there is no combination of words I could say, but I will still tell you one thing, we're better together.
Thank you sa pagkapit sa relasyon natin. Through ups and downs, hindi ka bumitaw. Wala lang ibang hihilingin ba?
Pinapangako ko lang na patuloy kitang, syempre, mamahalin, pagsisilbihan, at patatawarin sa mga magiging pagkakasala mo kung magkakaroon man. Pero alam kong hindi ka magkakamali, di ba?
Sobrang thank you for being my best friend, my bandmate, my drinking buddy, partner in crime, my business partner, my soulmate. Really better when we're together. Yes.
Thank you sa pagmamahal mo sa akin sa mga anak natin, kay Danry, kay Wes, at sa pamilya at mga kaibigan ko. Salamat sa pagtanggap mo sa akin, sa lahat ng magaganda na naging rason kung bakit ka na-in love sa akin.
Also, thank you for being the best mother to our kids. Lalo na ngayon, may panibagong blessing si God sa atin. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, she's pregnant.
Hindi ko pinapangakong magiging perfect ang pagsasama natin o ako na magiging pinakamabuti din ako may bahay dahil sa totoo lang, sa pagluluto pa lang, daig mo na ako.
I promise to take care of you and the kids hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Thank you and I love you all my heart.
Yan, ang pangako ko lang ay magiging tapat sa'yo habang buhay, mamaling kita, mga anak natin, pati na rin yung 5 pa nating magiging anak. Ayun, I love you so much.